Do you have classic, old-fashioned slides, negatives, or films sitting in the garage? If you want to share and enjoy these precious moments, bring or mail your slides and negatives to Las Vegas Motion Pictures, and we'll convert your old photos into electronic files. Files can be stored on a DVD or flash drive. We can also produce spectacular DVD video presentations. These are the perfect gift for any occasion. Now you can take those stacks of 35mm photos, slides, negatives, and films and convert them into digital JPEG images to share and preserve forever. We are a professional photo scanning service, and our expert technicians spend time with each individual frame to ensure the ideal brightness, focus, color fidelity, cropping, and orientation. Scanning slides and negatives to DVD is a great way to preserve your precious memories from fading. Since we are local, we provide quick turnaround and can often meet the most demanding deadlines. At Las Vegas Motion Pictures, we are your local memory preservation experts. Call us at 702-505-0701 to preserve your family's history.